there, everybody. Welcome to another episode where I've bought something and I'm checking it out. This company called Stitch Fix, a little bit of a tongue twister, has been showing up on my feed for a while, and I decided to check it out and see what it was all about. The first thing you do with Stitch Fix is to take a quiz. And the quiz has quite a few questions on it. You can see me going through it here. And this is not my real email. This is just a place filler email that I use. So if you want to really email me, you're going to have to look a little harder. But anyway, you're going to take a quick quiz. And the quiz is going to ask you a bunch of things about your personal style. And part of the reason I wanted to try this is because I'm not sure I have a personal style besides liking to be comfortable and liking clothes that don't require a lot of effort as far as cleaning. My lifestyle is I live quite rurally. We have livestock, we have goats and chickens, so I'm out there. I milk goats twice a day, believe it or not. And so I get dirty and I need clothes that can stand up to that. I would say my general uniform is I wear a t-shirt and a pair of comfortable jeans, and that's pretty much what I wear most of the time. In the winter, I throw a hoodie over that. Hoo-hoo, fancy, right? But then that means that when I have to do something like go to a wedding or I just want to dress up, I really don't own a lot of those clothes. And some of the clothes I do have, I've had forever. So I also don't really like shopping. I go in and I'm like a deer in headlights. I look around the store and I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what would look good. And so you take this quiz. It asks you, just generally to look at a bunch of outfits and say, do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like this? And so I did that. And then, excuse me, I'm drinking my morning coffee because that's rather important to life. You also just answer some general questions about your lifestyle because they do want to give you clothes that are actually useful to you that you will wear and use. So say, okay, what kind of jeans do you like? Do you like jeans in this cut? Do you like them with this rise? So they really do spend a fair bit of time checking out your personal preferences. They get your measurements, just basic measurements like what size you wear in a lot of things and whether you have problems with fit in different types of clothing. They even ask like what colors do you not like at all, and so they wouldn't send you anything in those colors. A lot of questions, and from that a stylist picks out, I assume it's actually a human stylist. It could be that there's just like a computer algorithm that they feed all this information to, and it's like, here, send this. But they claim that it's a real person that sends you an outfit or a box with at least one outfit and maybe some extra pieces in it. And you pay $20 for the styling fee, and then if you decide to keep any of the items, that $20 can apply towards the items. So my thought was, hey, if I keep one thing out of this box, then I can apply the $20 towards that, and that'll be fine. Surely there'll be one thing that I can add to my wardrobe and have some extra clothing. And so my thought was along those lines. They even ask you, like, what do you think is a reasonable amount to pay for various items, so that they're sending you things that are hopefully in your personal budget or in your range. So you fill this all out, and then you can schedule it out so that you get this every month, which is way too much for me. I don't need that many clothes. Or every other month, or I scheduled it for the every 3 months because I figured, hey, if I buy one extra piece of clothing every 3 months, I can certainly afford that. Also, if there's anything you don't like, you send it back. They send a little envelope with it, and you just send it back. Free refunds and exchanges, but you do pay the $20 styling fee if you don't keep anything at all. All right, so that's how this company works. And after I filled this out, about a week-ish later, I got my first box. So we're going to check out what was in my box that I got from my personal recommendations. So after doing all of that, I'm really curious to see what they sent me and to see how well it suits me. We'll see. Let's see what we got here. It's funny, it's like a little, it's a little, I think I opened the box upside down. So let's see. I've got some papers here. I've got something to ship back. Good to know. Information. And let's see here. We've got a sleeveless shirt with a little tie at the bottom. I don't know about that. It's sleeveless, and we're going into October, and I live in Tennessee. We've got, this shirt has sleeves. Looks comfortable, but I don't know. Probably have to try that on. We've got a cardigan, burgundy cardigan. It's soft. Let's see. Ooh, okay, those are fun. They're very sparkly. I like sparkly. I don't usually wear earrings that are that large, but I kind of like those. Gonna have to look at those. And then we have a pair of jeans. Which I don't know. I don't know if I need them to send me jeans. You know, I can buy jeans. But maybe they're really nice jeans. I'll have to try them on. So that's what they sent me. Let's see if it says how much these are. Because that's what I'm curious about, is like what kind of, it is cute though. They give you suggestions like of how to wear these things, what to wear them with. And I suppose that's useful. Different ways to wear them. But that doesn't tell me how much they are. Let's see. Oh. Ah, here we go. Okay. So the cardigan is $40. The jeans are $58. They better be an amazing pair of jeans if I want to keep them. The tie front tank, this one that has no sleeves, that's $36. This one with the print on it is $48. And the earrings are $34. So I can tell you I wouldn't be buying all of them, but you can see they do add it up and they give you a discount if you buy them all. You just have to like them all, I suppose. But my budget is not saying that I'm going to spend that much. I'm probably going to keep like one thing, and it might be the earrings. But you have spent the $20 either way, so you might as well pick at least one thing and use the $20. But then you have to figure out what else you might want to keep. So, yeah. Now we got to try these things on. Have a better look at it, because one cannot decide without trying on. So, I am about to eat my words. I've gone ahead and tried on some of these things, and I'm going to give my opinion on them. But it's changed from just looking in the box. So this is why I'm a bad shopper, because if I had seen these things on a shelf, I would not have picked them up. But I like pretty much all of them. So first of all, we have these earrings. They're fun. I haven't worn bigger earrings since I had children, but all of my children are older now and they're really cute. So, yeah. So we have this shirt. I said, oh, they're sending me a sleeveless shirt in almost October. That's not going to be useful, but honestly, it's really comfortable. It's really soft. I could wear it in the summer, but the cardigan that came in this box can go over it, and I really like the cardigan. I like this style. Again, I probably wouldn't have picked it up. I would have picked up something flashier, but I think this color works with my hair. Like, my hair is kind of that reddish thing going on, and it works with the shirt, and this way you're not super hot under the cardigan. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. And then I said, how dare I say it? I said they'd have to be a really great pair of jeans to keep them. Well, I put these on and they have an extremely soft feel. Like, they're just really soft. They're very stretchy, which I think is great in a pair of jeans. The length is perfect. It goes right down to the base of my shoe. It's a cut I like. They're like perfect jeans. So, there's one more piece I'm gonna have to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got this shirt, which is very flowy. It moves, it's thin, it's soft. I like it with the jeans. I can see it with the skirt. It's kind of an interesting pattern, and I would have absolutely never even given this a second glance if I saw it at the store. In fact, when I saw it in the box, I was like, I don't know about that. It's like dark, and but I put it on, and I'm like, oh, yeah, I can wear this. I like it. It's very cool too, because it's like, I don't know, it's thin and flowy, and yeah. So I'm keeping the whole thing. Even though I said it wasn't in my budget, I'm gonna find it in my budget, and I'm keeping the whole thing, because with the, you keep the whole thing at 25% off, and that's not that bad. So, Stitch Fix, I recommend it. I'm gonna keep my subscription there so that I get another box in 3 months. They do a monthly and every other month and every 3 months. I so rarely buy clothes for myself that 3 months sounds fine to try this again. And I will give another review when that time comes. But in the meantime, I think they did a great job. And
I'm actually really impressed with the quality of the things I got. The price is not bad. Of course, I was very specific on my thing that I like clothes as cheap as possible, so they wouldn't send me anything that was too pricey. But all of these are things that I I will wear. Um, they definitely paid attention to what I said, and in general, I would give them 2 thumbs up. So if you are interested, you want to give them a try, then I say go for it.
One last quick thing about Stitch Fix that I noticed is on your homepage, they give styles that change throughout the day. Like it's different every time I look at this, unless it was just 5 minutes ago that I looked at it. And these are things that fit your style profile that you could choose from. These seem to be a little more varied in their prices. I looked at a pair of lounge pants because I was like, ooh, those look comfy. And they were like $170. And I was like, oh, nope. But there have been other things that have been very reasonable, and they give them in outfits. Sometimes it might be with something you already have so that you could wear it along with it. But I have liked what I've seen here. They've looked like things that do suit me and that I would wear. And so I would encourage you to also check out their style picks for you and see what you think of those items. So, Stitch Fix, I am rating it highly. And by the way, they did not send me my box for free. I paid for every item that I bought. I paid for the styling fee. They are not sponsoring me in any way or convincing me to do this. Although, if they would like to, I would just like to say that they are more than welcome to send me some free boxes, and I would be happy to do a video review of them. But for right now, that is not how this worked out. And this was completely a free of my own accord review. Have a great day, guys.